Machines are built to do essential tasks better, faster, and more efficiently than man ever could. From the small to the giant, the mundane to the extraordinary. In today's video, we are looking at 10 of the world's most amazing machines. Number 1. Bell's Machining 8000 Wood Processor. Bell's Machining is one of the world's leading manufacturers of wood processing equipment. Their 8000 firewood plant is their biggest and most capable machine, able to cut wedge, tumble and conveyor 4+4 cords of hardwood per hour. The machine is powered by a 1:1 horsepower count turbo diesel Tier 4 engine, the features of which are 60-inch Siemens circular saw and a 7-inch 56 tons splitter cylinder. The 8000 series can process logs up to 30 feet in length and 26.5 inches in diameter. Bell's Machining pride themselves on making the heaviest, most rugged wood processed in the industry. The 8000 with its tandem 9000 pound axles, 85-gallon hydraulic tank and large operating cab with air cart and eater certainly lives up to the brand's sturdy reputation. Number 2. VZ950 Titan Universal Shredder. The VZ950 Titan is a behemoth of a shredder and can get through almost anything, including car bodies, scrap, waste, wood, materials and minerals and much more. The VZ950 is fitted with the standard track system that allows it to be rigged up to a regular truck hitch for easy transportation in, around and between sites. The machine features are quick change system for the tool shaft, better known as the shredding mechanism, allowing for easy installation and removal of the shaft pair within the shortest time possible. This also facilitates more efficient maintenance, preparation and changing of the shaft types for seamless operation out in the field. When shredding tough materials such as metals, the shredder implements its automatically pressure-controlled damping system, which adjusts the shredding size to facilitate any increased resistance it may encounter. This system prevents damage to the tool shafts and minimizes the need for constant manual adjustment. Number 3. Lexion Combine 8900. The combine harvester is an incredibly important piece of machinery in the agriculture industry, and nobody does it better than class makers of the world famous Lexion series. The flagship Lexion 8900 is the firm's biggest, most powerful combined state. Running off of a stage 5 compliant 16.2-litre MAN D26 engine that can kick out 790 horsepower, which is around 90 horsepower more than its nearest rival, the New Holland CR1090. This latest model is a notable improvement over its already amazing predecessors. The 600mm diameter threshing drunk with 8 horsepower has been replaced by 26% larger 755mm version with 10 bars, which greatly improves threshing performance. Classes overall the rotor system, adding an additional rotor from 3 to 4 and opted for a shallow operating angle to ease crop flow and to reduce straw damage. This increased performance has facilitated the need for a larger tank, so the 8900 can be spent with a gigantic 18,000-litre Holt. Operators can also rest easy as the cabin has a serious revamp, now offering a far bigger workspace and a larger inspection window, giving better visibility into the grain tank. The rotary and push controls have also been replaced with touchscreen displays, bringing the Lexion Combine 8900 right into the current decade. Number 4. Prinoth Forest Mulcher M650M. The M650M is a heavy-duty mulcher that is capable of clearing and preparing lat in record time, built to make easy work of left behind tree stumps. This forest mulcher can shred through logs with ease, using its 25.6-inch rotor. As a multi-purpose based, this offering from Prinoth has a range of applications including clearing paths for forest tracks, recultivating land for agriculture, as well as cleaning up the left behind of selective woodland felling. Suitable for carrier vehicles with 200 to 350 horsepower, the M650M needs to be partnered up with an equally high performance companion to work at full capacity. This is understandable, seeing as this serious piece of engineering weighs just shy of 7,000 pounds. The M650M is made out of highly wear-resistant steel, which might be heavy, but it also reduces maintenance and the frequency of failures significantly. Number 5. Sweetruk TMF. The Sweetruk TMF is a powerful log stacker. This predominantly operates within the sawmill, paper mill, and pulp industry setting. The Sweetruk TMF is available in 5 different size variants, with the smallest being able to grapple between 9 and 12 tons of logs, and the largest being able to handle between 22 and 32 tons of logs. Each Sweetruk TMF is built using well-known quality components that are backed with many years of experience and vast know-how by the manufacturer. The result is an incredibly heavy-duty, highly reliable machine that is perfect for fast, safe, and cost-effective log handling. The cockpit of the TMF offers a comfortable and straightforward environment for the operator or controls and are industry standard, so they should be familiar to the majority of lumber workers. The front of the operating cabin also features a protective cage to prevent rob logs from smashing, though, and injuring those behind the wheel. Number 6. Litter Master 9000. The Litter Master 9000 is a street cleaner's dream. This intriguing machine is essentially a giant outdoor vacuum cleaner that's powered by a 21 horsepower Vanguard V-twin engine. The Little Master is described as the perfect solution for rapid vacuum collection and is able to suck up anything in its path, from scattered drink cans and plastic bottles to leaves and broken glass. Designed to keep the streets of your neighborhood in pristine condition, the Litter Master can remove litter in a fraction of time when compared with manual litter picking groups. Being able to be mounted to a range of vehicles is also a massive advantage. The Litter Master can be placed on a specially fabricated trailer on the rear end of a pickup truck or even on the back of a riverbank cleaning boat. With a 400-liter capacity, you won't be changing the bags on this vacuum too often either. Number 7. Rubian Strawberry Picking Machine. The Rubian Strawberry Picking Machine does exactly what it intends, and that is to pick one of the world's most favorite fruit, strawberries. Harvesting soft fruit mechanically poses a huge challenge. Each berry needs to be located, assessed for ripeness, harvested, and then bulked with enormous amounts of care to avoid bruising. The fully autonomous Rubian does a fantastic job of cleverly making its way through rows of fruit, picking only the most suitable berries. Rubian's robotic arm, which is mounted upon the self-driving trolley, reaches up from below and grips the ripe berry between its cushioned plastic paws using 3D vision. The grip of the fruit turns 90 degrees to snap it off of its stalk, mimicking the technique of a human picker. In its current form, the Rubian can pick a strawberry every 4 seconds, and with the right pick achievement, in between 70 and 100%. This machine is certainly rivaling the efficiency of human workers. Number 8. Case IH Autonomous Concept Tractor. In an effort to increase farm productivity and manpower, agricultural tech leader Case IH has been pointing their attention towards autonomous machines that could operate both remotely and under the supervision of its own AI. Case IH unveiled the world's first higher horsepower cable-ace autonomous concept tractor at the Farm Progress Show in 2016. 4 years later, and these amazing machines are still not available on the open market. However, their full release could be just around the corner. The autonomous technology works in partnership with programmed routes added using the designated tablet. The tractor will then follow said routes, carrying out necessary tasks such as plowing, seeding, and harvesting, while the operator can get on with other pressing jobs. The tractor's advanced obstacle detection enables it to stop and wait for obstacles to clear, or in other cases, it will stop and send the operator a notification requesting further instruction. Autonomous tractor technology is a game changer in the agriculture sector. Such machines allow for round-the-clock operation, increase productivity immensely, and can help to achieve strict deadlines in small weather windows. Rosenbauer Panther. Airpro crash tenders are built to be incredibly tough and powerful machines, and the Panther series by Rosenbauer is arguably the best of the best. Offering class-leading acceleration, Panther firefighting vehicles are able to negotiate rough terrain whilst carrying large capacities of firefighting media in record time. All Panthers are fitted with powerful high-capacity pumps, water foam cannons, and are capable of delivering any firefighting media over long distances. Panthers can come in 4x4, 6x6, or even 8x8 wheeled chassis configuration, depending on how much power and capacity is required. For example, the smallest 4x4 Panther, known as the Sprinter, has an engine output of 700 horsepower and maximum speed of 115 km per hour and can house up to 6,950 liters of extinguishing medium. On the other hand, the largest known as the top tier is an 8x8 wheeled vehicle that's fitted with a 1450 horsepower engine, has a maximum speed of 135 km per hour and can hold up to 19,000 liters of extinguishing medium. Number 10. SAM 100. SAM, short for Semi-Automated Mason, is a bricklaying robot designed by Construction Robotics and is the first commercially available bricklaying robot built for on-site masonry. The SAM 100 features a robotic arm that is able to pick up bricks, apply mortar, and then lay each brick in the desired location to build up a wall. SAM is able to lay between 800 to 1200 bricks a day, which is huge in comparison to the 500 bricks a day laid by the average human mason. This current version of SAM is the result of 8 years in development and costs a staggering $500,000, which is a large sum of money by anybody's standards. However, Construction Robotics does state that the SAM 100 increases masons' productivity by up to 5 times while reducing lifting by over 80%, resulting in a minimum labor saving of 50%. Which one of these do you think is the smartest machine? Let us know in the comments below and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more videos like these.